In this video, I will show you how to use MX Player. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. So, download MX Player from Play Store or App Store and open it like this. So, when you open it, it's going to tell you to allow access to files. If you click here, click allow access. And right now, all file access, you have to scroll this list until you found MX Player and click turn on. Then back to your app MX Player. So here guys, you see this is the home page. If you click here, you can find your music if you already have. Here your transfer and here your profile. From here guys, you can see this list where you can find your downloads, your file transfer, your private folders, your media manager, also app them if you want to change it, the settings if you want to control some settings inside your MX Player, and also if you want to change app language, click here and change your app language to any language that you want to use. So here guys, right now this is the music that I have. It's starting to show in up with me, the playlist, albums, everything. If I click on local, I can find all my folders here guys. So the application of MX Player is very useful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.